Travel lovers, are you ready to start your journey to one of the most iconic art pieces on earth and to know the place also called as the Iron Lady? We have for you a 5 days plan which includes romantic dinner, a bottle of cava, couples massage, and an exclusive Finnish sauna on request. An urban wall with qualified guides without a set price. 2 hours 30 minutes completely in Spanish where you will know the main monuments that are in the City of Love. You will be able to learn about the many activities that you can do in Paris as well as the curiosities that the City of Light has. Once the tour is over, you are free to set the price based on your degree of satisfaction. The best way to know the city for the first time and see the most essential monuments, Century or Notre Dame, Seine River, we will know Pont des Arts and the history of the Louvre Museum, where you will know how this palace was transformed after the French Revolution. Finally, we will explore the Eiffel Tower, the first and second level with a priority access admission ticket. One of the most famous structures and recognized attractions in the entire world, the most representative monument of France to the world, the highest structure man-made by humanity up during 41 years and the largest building in Paris. Don't miss this change.